What if I told you that your plants don't flower because of the temperature? It's not about how warm or cold it gets. They flower because they can literally count the hours of darkness. And if you get this count wrong, your plant might never ever bloom. This amazing process is called photoperiodism. Think of it as a plant's secret calendar, helping it measure the length of day and night to decide exactly when it's time to flower. Now here's the crazy part. Plants don't actually track daylight, they track how long the night lasts. It's the uninterrupted darkness that matters. Deep inside the leaves, there's a super-sensitive light detection system called photoperiodism. This system acts like a highly accurate biological clock. When the nights are just the right length, either long enough or short enough, depending on the plant, the phytochrome sends out a signal that basically screams, "Okay, it's time to reproduce." This is the trigger for flowering. Because of this, we can sort plants into three main groups. First, we have the short day plants. These guys, like chrysanthemums and poinsettias, need long, uninterrupted nights to start blooming. That's why they naturally flower in the fall or winter. Then, we have the long day plants. Spinach, lettuce, and many wildflowers fall into this category. They need short nights to get the signal to flower, which is why they bloom in the summer. Finally, there are the day-neutral plants. These are the easygoing ones like tomatoes, cucumbers, and roses. They simply don't care about day length. They'll flower whenever they're mature enough. This is also the reason why a single street light outside your window, or even turning on your living room lights at night, can completely stop your plants from flowering. Even a short flash of light in the middle of a long night can reset their internal clock. It tricks the plant into thinking the night was short, completely confusing its natural cycle. This is why you sometimes see plants that just keep growing bigger and bigger, with lush leaves, but never produce a single flower. It's not being stubborn, it's lost in time, waiting for the right night length that never comes. So, the next time one of your plants refuses to bloom, don't just blame the weather or your fertilizer. It might just be waiting for the perfect night. Once you understand photoperiods, you can stop guessing and start growing smarter. You'll know how to give your plants exactly what they need to put on a spectacular floral show. Thanks for watching. And if you learned something new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more plant secrets.